Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to discuss a shoe that Nike has to get out ASAP if they want to be able to sell out pairs of this sneaker, at least to, what I believe, for the first, few weeks of when they're dropping this pair, because they've already started releasing some. It'll be fine, it'll sell out as regular, some sizes are actually still reselling, so it's one of those ones, if you target the right size, it'll probably still flip, but for some of these sizes and majority of the stock, this is one of those ones that Nike, if they don't get this sneaker out soon, they're going to be sitting on a lot of pairs just based off what I've seen on the back door, current resale prices, based off, what we saw this morning from, this pair releasing, because keep in mind we're discussing the Black Toe Reimagines. And yeah, a lot of people have said this drop's getting pushed back to 2025, but we've started seeing some retailers drop this one maybe a little bit early. That could be the case, but I do have a feeling that Nike is still going to try to drop this shoe in 2024, because I think they do notice, hey, if we don't get this shoe out, we might be sitting on some stock. But let's discuss that and all, we're going to get into in this video. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Starting at 300 likes in this video just lets me know these are the types of, videos y'all want more of. Don't know why that was almost hard for me to say. And yeah, you can check me out. My Instagram's down below. Always buying, selling, trading here. I got tons of stuff for sale on my story. I got hoodies. I got sweatpants. I got the upcoming Reimagine 3s. Reviewing those probably, if not tomorrow, then the day after. Y'all will see that. Lots of stuff. SBs, Jordan 4s. Just check my story. If you need a pair, hit me up. I got like 2 velvet browns left. I got an 8.5 and 9. Also got some bigger sizes, just a bit more expensive. Let me know. Like 11, 12, 13. It's just those are like, $1,000. And of course, you can check us below at Resale Vision. I mean, we just did a giveaway for medium olive lows. You can see some of the deals we're doing this week. Hopefully, I have the graphic done by now. If not, then you just see some of the ones we did last night, day before that. We're doing deals every single day in there and, weekly giveaways on hype pairs. So yeah, don't miss out on that. But that's everything I really need to say there. Hope y'all will enjoy. That's all down below. And let's get started on discussing the shoe. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick and I'm not gonna knock over my camera and shoes. Let's just get started. So as you guys can see, when you look on StockX, it shows no sizes are listed, right? But there's sales happening. I mean, just go look at the sales. You can see a lot of the sales on StockX are pretty good. Like, they're pretty nice. 240, 200, 227. Like, if you get these at the right time, get the right size, it's a good flip. However, I believe we did see an early drop for these this morning on JD Sports. I could be wrong on that, but I saw a fairly large retailer drop them this morning, and that is something to pay attention to, because if you look at some of these sizes now, 8, 7, 7.5, like these are men's sizes, 9, 9.5. I mean, look at that, 11. Those are all very, very close to retail. And you can see a lot of those sizes are floating pretty close to there. 230, 200. I mean, Jordan 1's retail for like, what, $180 after, tax and ship, you're probably paying $190. Let's say you live in a no tax state, you got free ships, you're paying like $180, $181. Because I still think there's, like sales tax, but I don't know if that's included. I'm getting off topic here. But yeah, basically, you're either paying $180 or $190. And you guys can see some of these sizes right now, if you were to sell them to apps and you had paid $180, you're not going to make any money on some of these sizes. So I think it's one of those things that, Nike may be paying attention to. Like, hey, we can do, another few 100,000 of these and they'll sell out no problem. Like, there's definitely demand for like, another 500,000 more of these. Will it flip at that point? I can't say it will. But there's definitely enough demand to where it'll sell out and there won't be pairs just available sitting for retail if they release this one. Not too many pairs, basically. But we know this is one that is rumored to have like 1 million pairs. Obviously, it's a very, very popular retro. They haven't done a pair like this in a while. The box is sick. I want to get this one. I'm just waiting until the prices get really, really cheap. And it looks like I'm there right now. I might just go grab my 9. There's probably one I can get. Like, let's see. How much is the instant ship option? Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do that today. So y'all going to see the review very, very soon. I mean, $200, I'm basically paying, like after fees and everything, it'll probably like 230 something. But I mean, you can see these are getting very, very close to retail. And I just think this is one of those shoes that Nike is paying attention to. They're looking at this information and like, okay, we pushed this one back to 2025, or maybe, that rumor was out there. We need to change that up. You know what I mean? We need to probably get this sneaker out now. And I was talking about this in a video probably like a week ago, or it was like a week ago, but I was saying that, this sneaker will probably continue to drop in price and Nike will probably not push the sneaker back anymore. They'll probably take that back and be like, hold up, we got to get this shoe out. Actually, the release is going to be like in December or like end of November. You know what I mean? Something like that. I think it was originally scheduled for this month, actually on today, I believe, the 18th. I could be wrong. On that, feel free to let me know. But I think that's why we saw one of those retailers drop them today, is because, well, it was actually scheduled to officially release today. Just, they weren't on sneakers because obviously they didn't drop there. But that's one of the main things I, just want to say about this shoe. I saw like a little ad type thing this morning saying like these are under retail and go, and it's true. Some sizes are. I mean, already before the releases even happened, months before. But I guess they've technically officially started releasing since we saw JD, some other retailers starting to, you know, drop them. Maybe Nike's giving them the okay, but yeah, it's just weird that I hope Nike doesn't drop this shoe. Well, I don't mind if they drop it in a weird way and the prices end up getting cheaper. You know, good for buyers, right? Like someone that just wants a personal pair. But I have a feeling that Nike's going to drop this shoe kind of like they did the oxidized green force, where retailers dropped them like a month before sneakers did. And then it was like, what's the point of me going to sneakers? You know what I mean? Like, why would I pay full price through there when I can just, you know, get them at a retailer 2 weeks after the sneakers drop for like 20% off? You know what I mean? So I have a lot of questions. I don't think this will be the type of shoe that Nike puts on discount though. The very unique box, overall a pretty cool pair. I think though, you know, this will be one that they would just wait for it to sell out, because it would eventually. It's just a cool enough pair that will happen. But yeah, I do kind of wonder what they're doing here, because I mean, yeah, some of these sizes are just going to sit for a bit, like 7.5, 8, like those are all going to be men's sizes that will just, you know, they're going to have some trouble selling those now. I mean, they'll have to send them to outlets and they'll flip there, no problem. But yeah, I have some questions, like, you know what I mean? This is definitely going to be one of those shoes that we'll probably see at outlets. No disrespect to it, it's just going to get cheaper. That's just my personal thoughts. I think based off the 1,000 pair of backdoors I've seen now, you know what I mean? It's just like, yeah, I don't feel like anybody is like, you know, willingly sitting on these. But also, it's just like, there's a lot of stock of these. You're getting backdoors that are that big, like, yeah, that's, you know, it's usually a pretty decent stock pair. But yeah, that's also we've seen so many people with the backdoor and posting early pics, and it just, yeah, there's been a lot of people with these. That's what I can say. So personal prediction, I think Nike's going to probably push up the release, excuse me, to get pairs out. I mean, I doubt that they're just going to want to sit on these and send them to outlets and, you know, not make as much money as they would, or even lose money. Well, that's not going to happen. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, the cost to produce a Jordan 1 is like $16, $17. Yeah, they're not going to lose any money making these. But yeah, it's just like, you know, I kind of wonder what they're doing. Because it's like, is it pushed back? Is it not? We got retailers dropping them now. Should I check with my local JD or not? You know, I don't know. It's like, what's going on, Nike? But you know what? Questions answered. I think we'll be seeing it probably within the next month or two. I don't think they're going to push it to 2025. We already see some retailers dropping them. We're probably going to see some release information pretty soon. That's my personal prediction. It'll probably be similar to the oxidized greens. A couple retailers will do them, you know, a little bit early. Then we'll see sneakers load up. They'll do it there. Maybe we'll see some people or some locations discounted. We'll definitely see them at some outlets in some sizes. But that's what I can say. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just try to 300 likes on this video. And before we do that, let me know your thoughts on this pair down below in the comments. Is this one that you rock with? Is it not? You know, let me know. For me, it's a dope pair. I like it. I do wish it had the Wings logo on it, but I understand why it has, like, you know, the kind of that like sideways or diagonal Air Jordan logo, just because it's like, you know, it's a touch to like how the 85 Jordan 1s were. Like, they didn't really, some didn't have the Wings logo, you know what I mean? It was kind of like before that. So that's what I can say. But yeah, I think that's everything I need to mention there. You can check me out my IGs down below. You ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me, hit me up there. Yeah, just any pairs you need. If you need these, let me know. I definitely can get you these. I mean, I know a lot of people with those super large backdoors. So, yeah, just hit me up. I can get you right. And on any release, really, just let me know. Let me know what size. I'll see if I can get it. And yeah, if I missed your DM, just shoot me another one. I will get back to you. Probably about the time when this video is getting out, I'll be getting back to DMs. If not, I'm dropping items in Resale Vision. You can see some of the ones we did last night. Again, if I have the schedule, there's some of the ones we're doing this week. It's every single day in there. We're trying to provide you the heat. We got another giveaway coming next week. I just got to make sure I get last week's giveaway pair out to the person that won it, and then I'll be doing another one. So yeah, just staying on schedule, staying organized. That's really key. And yeah, I appreciate you guys as always. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all. I got to go get some shoes. Then well, I got to eat some food first. But then yeah, well, you know, we got the plan today. We just got to get it done. So thank you guys. I appreciate you all, and I will catch you all in the next video tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts on this pair. Do you think Nike's gonna, you know, continue to push it back to 2025, or do you think they're gonna be like, yo, we need to get this one out? That's what I think they're doing. The second thing. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Peace out. Boosh.